It's 2026, and with the new year comes a new GIS service request solution. You're probably familiar with SysAid, which we previously utilized alongside IT for submitting help desk tickets, but now we're migrating to a GIS-based solution that not only gives us more control over the service request form, but also enables us to track metrics on our service requests over time. Now I'll showcase how to access the new GIS service request form. You'll typically start from the Chatham County government homepage. You'll navigate to the government dropdown and then find the Geographic Information Systems link. Soon this link will direct you to the Chatham County GIS resources page, where you can find information about our staff, training resources for Survey 123 and other applications, as well as news and upcoming events for our department. Now, the GIS service request form is a quick scroll downwards, and you'll find the GIS service requests link. You'll click that link, and it'll take you to a login page. Since this form is hosted on Portal, not AGOL, you won't need to use your login credentials for AGOL. Instead, you'll simply press this Chatham County Azure AD button. This button automatically logs you in and grants you access to the form. Now that we've successfully navigated to the new GIS service request form, let's walk through it with an example. Let's say I'd like a large printed map, maybe 24 inches by 36 inches of Chatham County that showcases roadways, water bodies, and parcel boundaries. Now for this request detail section, please put as much detail in there as possible because we can use these details to categorize it later if needed. Next, we'll ask that you specify your business unit. So for this, we're going to go down to our Geographic Information Systems. There's also an Other section and a Public Request section if needed. We then ask if you specify if this is an urgent request or not. Now, according to our SLA, we have 3 business days to complete these service requests. So if you might need it in 1 or 2 days, we definitely would like you to mark it as urgent so that we can put it at the top of our to-do list. We then have a question asking for the specific date you need this by. If you've got an upcoming deadline and you want to make sure that it's completed on time, it might be useful to add that date here. As mentioned earlier, we have request categories. Now, these might not be intuitive for you. If you need to skip them, that's okay. Just like I said before, ensure you've got plenty of detail in your request details, and we can categorize those for you. Then there's a file upload section. If there's anything like notes or diagrams that might be valuable for us to complete your ticket, you can just click here or drag and drop files onto the form. And with that, you'll see your name and request email here, and then you'll hit the submit button. If you've submitted successfully, you'll see this page that says, "Great, your data was sent successfully. Thanks." After you've successfully submitted a GIS service request, you'll also receive a confirmation email. This email outlines the details of your request, and a copy is also sent to our GIS team so that we can begin working on your request as soon as possible. That covers everything for the new GIS service request solution, but please reach out to our department if you have any questions or concerns, and we'll be happy to take them into account.